Good morning, everyone. Success is not the key to happiness. Happiness is the key of success. If you love what you are doing, you'll be successful. A very fine good morning to the Honorable Chancellor, Sir, Sri Mehboob Haq, Sir, the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, the eminent speakers of this session, Dr. Bimal Karani, Sir, Associate Professor, Department of Food and Nutritional Science in the University of Reading, UK. Dr. K. Sundar, Sir, Associate Professor, Head of Microbiology, Prest University, Puducherry. Dr. Manoj Narayanan, Sir, Associate Professor, Sri Buddha College of Engineering, Patur, Kerala. Dr. Suresh Kumar, Sir, Assistant Professor, Arba Munich University, Utopia. To all the delegates of the conference, my departmental colleagues, colleagues of University of Science and Technology, to the academic register, Sir, Dr. Ajmal Borbuya, to the MD of Technical Collaborator, Mr. Anuj Raj, to all the scientific officers and the team members of Actilogen Biotech Private Limited. I, Dr. Madhushmita Borthakur, on behalf of Department of Applied Biology, University of Science and Technology, India, would wholeheartedly welcome you to the 2 days of International Virtual Conference on Biotechnology, Microbial Processing, and Nutritional Genetics 2020. As in the time of pandemic, research on biotechnology has received a great attention. Coronavirus pandemic has nearly broke the link in our food supply chain that were already under constant strain. So biotech is a major factor in developing a resilient post-COVID world. From food that has a longer shelf life to crop that can withstand an extreme environment, it can provide a new lead to the post-COVID world. Keeping all the consequences of COVID-19, the theme of the conference was proposed in the field of biotechnology, microbial processing, nutritional genetics. So I wholeheartedly welcome all the delegates to the conference once again. Today, we have among us as our chief guest of this session, the Chancellor of University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya, Sri Mehboob Haq, Sir. Being born in a very small village of Assam, Sir has always been a key model in the field of education. Sir is an alumni of Aligarh Muslim University in the year 1993. After his highest degree, Sir did not turn around for a high-paid, lucrative job offer. Rather, he wanted to serve his society. It is due to his sheer determination and hard work, Sir could manage to set up a world-class university from a very small computer laboratories in the city. And USTM, University of Science and Technology, is a part of his successful venture with around 22 departments and 60 courses and still counting, with new departments coming up with world-class facility. Besides education, Sir is also serving the society as his foremost principal. There are over 700 students who are studying at a free of cost in the University of Science and Technology, Meghalaya. We are very lucky to have you, sir, as our guide, as our chancellor. Thank you so much, sir, for being here, for being in the conference. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Should I speak now?
Sure, sir.
Okay. Good morning to everyone. Our eminent guest, Dr. Bimal Karani, Associate Professor, University of Reading, United Kingdom. Dr. Eminent speakers, Dr. Suresh Kumar, Dr. K. Sundar, Dr. Manoj Narayan, all the participants from various parts of the country and abroad, my colleague, faculty members from various departments, the associate partner of this international conference, virtual conference, Actilogen Biotech Private Limited, and I think Mr. Anuj who is representing on behalf of his company. I welcome everyone to this initiative Dr. Madhusmita has taken about me, but not about the mission of the university. Anyway, congratulations Madhusmita and your partner, associate partner, for organizing this very beautiful program. And I was ill, and this is the first program I am attending. I thought that I must feel that I am working, so I joined. Very nice topic, biotechnology, microbial processing and nutritional genetics. Very relevant topic, you know. We are facing pandemic, and when there was nothing in Assam, especially in Meghalaya, there was lockdown, and now we have many patients every day, but we are working, we are going to our workplaces. It means that we must derive the idea that we are still lagging behind in our ideas, innovation, technological advancement, and guiding the common people. The topic is very much relevant, and I'll be very happy that Madhusmita, a very young faculty, although you are a young faculty, but you are very much associated from the very beginning of ERDF growth. You are the student of our UG program, and with your colleague, so many faculties, you have a very good qualification. We Indians, we organize, we talk many things, but we do less in practical activities. It will be my earnest request to our associate partner of this particular program that this is a very good idea that today's program have been organized with a kind of company who are dealing with such kind of activities. This way we can guide our students, our outgoing students, and they can get very practical exposures. I am very grateful to all the speakers, eminent speakers from various universities. Although you are joining virtually, but it will be a pending job for you that to visit our university once, at least. We are in Meghalaya, but is very near to Guwahati city and from Guwahati International Airport. Today, being the part of this university, I must make an appeal to all of you that please you make a visit. Certainly our Madhusmita will be connected with you. Please come, enter to the classroom, guide our outgoing students, our students. We started biotechnology department, and you will be happy to know that at USTM, the first department was biotechnology department. And we started our journey of USTM with 6 students. And all 6 students are from biotechnology only. So participants, you can easily realize that what was the purpose of establishing USTM. But I don't know what is the success. If we calculate the success, that yes, success in terms of quantity. We have produced many graduate and postgraduate who are doing excellent in various universities. They are the toppers of various departments in prestigious universities, in IITs. They are qualifying GATES, they are qualifying CSIR nets, and they are doing excellent. But I want to know, but I want to listen in future before my departure from this earth, that can I see any Nobel laureate from biotechnology department? Can I see anyone whose face is known to the people of biotechnology, nutritional genetics, and all microbial processing? You are all knowing, the participants, faculties members, so many bright students passing out from IITs and from various. But we could not disturb society. In this aspect, we must understand the power of Almighty. And in the same time, we are the best creations of Almighty. What we are doing? We cannot challenge the strength of Almighty. But Almighty has given the strength, and this is with us. And these are the today the areas where we can talk, we can learn many things today and tomorrow. Only things that I can say, and my appeal to all this, that this is the area where the entire future of the society is lying. If it is food, if you talk about food, if you talk about the microbial processing, if you talk about biotechnology, and so many micro level branches of biotechnology nowadays it is there. If you talk about, I am studying in, I did PhD in biotechnology. The immediate next question will be that biotechnology in which area? So it's a emerging one, and it will be expanding in the coming days more and more. I welcome all the participants, and I am very grateful to all the faculty members of biotechnology department, and especially Dr. Madhusmita, who is convener, and joint convener Mr. Anuj. Certainly we'll be meeting very soon, and I welcome all the participants from various parts of the country, and all the resource persons who have joined. It's my request that you make a visit to us in near future, guide us. We want to work honestly. This is a self-financed institution, and with the support of the students, we are growing step by step. And I hope this virtual conference, although it is virtual conference, it will be very economic. For an organizer, it is very economic, and will not offer tea, biscuits, and everything. There will not be a lunch break and everything. So it is very economic, fine. But meeting each other, knowing so many things, it will be very difficult when we are in virtual condition. I wish us all the best, and hope the outcome of this virtual conference will be a spirit for many, and will be learning many things, and we can guide our society for the betterment. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for your motivational speech, sir. I hope we can be the best creature of Almighty. I hope biotechnology will further expand in future time. So with moving ahead for the conference, as we know, a conference is a celebration of knowledge. We have among us a devoted teacher. He has mesmerized scholars and people of various caliber with his intellectual and charm all over the globe. He is none other than Dr. Vimal Karani, an associate professor in nutrigenetics and nutrigenomics in University of Reading, UK. So attend his postdoctoral training at MRC Epidemiological Unit, Cambridge, UK, and University College London, UK. So has also received training in epidemiology at London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine, London, UK. So has published extensively in area of related to nutrigenetics and non-communicable disease, and presently he has more than 60 peer review publications, mostly in Nature Genetics, Lancet, PLOS Medicine, PLOS Genetics. So mostly emphasize on investigation of gene-nutrient interaction on metabolic and cardiovascular disease related outcome. So has initiated a large collaborative project called Gene-Nutrient Interaction Collaboration that aims to develop interaction collaboration that aims to develop a personalized nutrition program based on evidence from nutrigenetics using cohorts from various ethical groups. We are happy to welcome you, sir, for the conference. Over to you, sir, Dr. Vimal Karani.
Thank you so much for a great introduction, and I welcome you all to this international conference, which is basically a virtual conference due to the ongoing crisis. But I'm sure you're all going to benefit from this conference, which is focusing not just on microbiology, but also on nutritional genetics and biotechnology. So given the growing field of food technology and the novel technologies that we are coming up with in terms of implementing food processing techniques and developing functional foods and personalized nutritious foods, and also focusing towards precision nutrition, it's very much important for us to understand and improve our knowledge in the field of biotechnology, nutritional genetics, and also microbiology. So I hope you'll all enjoy this two-day conference.
Thank you, sir, for joining us in the conference, sir, and giving your consent to be one of the keynote speaker. We also have among with us Dr. R.S. Suresh Kumar. Sir is an assistant professor in Arba Minch University, Utopia, serving since 2017 till today. Sir served as a teaching assistant and research officer in the Christian Medical College, Vellore, Tamil Nadu. Sir has research interest on nanotechnology, assisted delivery vehicles, biosafety testing on nanomaterials, new gene sequencing. Sir has around 17 Scopus Index publications with more than 396 citations. Sir is the recipient of various awards in his pioneer field. We are happy to welcome you, sir, in the conference. Over to you, sir. Over to you, sir. Dr. Suresh, sir, over to you.
Just fine. Thank you. Thank you for the introduction, Dr. Madhusmita.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir, we are audible.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes, sir, you can hear you.
Okay. Thank you. I would like to thank the organizers of this conference, and also I would like to thank Mr. Anuj from Exelogen Biotech for this inviting me. Special thanks for organizing this conference, and I would like to congratulate all the speakers of this conference, and I hope I'll see you soon. I'll see you tomorrow for this conference on special I can say about topic. Any specific can answer you. Hello.
Thank you, sir. Sir. Okay. Probably he might have some connectivity issue. Thank you so much, sir, for being with us, sir, in the conference. We again wholeheartedly welcome all our delegates who will be sharing their knowledge in the conference. I hope all of you will have 2 most productive days of interesting and stimulating discussion. I sincerely wish that this conference will be a great success, not only as an opportunity to share knowledge, but also an experience in higher education, but also in the beginning of a long and fruitful cooperation and friendship among educators devoted to the most meaningful and worthwhile task of teaching and gaining over youth who will shape our future. I again wholeheartedly welcome our all delegates, our keynote speakers, the technical collaborators, all the viewers of the session. I wholeheartedly, being the conference coordinator, I, Dr. Madhusmita Borthakur, on behalf of Department of Applied Biology, University of Science and Technology, wholeheartedly welcome you to the opening inaugural session of the 2 days of International Virtual Conference on Biotechnology, Microbial Processing and Nutritional Genetics 2020. We'll be having our technical session within 5 minutes. So we are done with the inaugural. We'll be having our technical session within 5 minutes. Thank you.